This is Don Brill again with Brill Engineering. We've taken our human-powered pinch rollers for husking rice and added a motor to it. What we want to let you know is you need to keep the speed here at 300 RPM or less. The chain mechanism can't handle going any faster than that. You could still do 60 pounds an hour. We're using a quarter horsepower DC motor. I've got a variable speed controller on it, and I'll just fire this up just to show you how to do it. The main thing is, no matter what motor you use, just get the pulley system down to where this is only going to rotate at 30 RPM, or rather 300 RPM. So there it is running. I can up the RPM a bit here.